In this video, you'll learn how to automate Notion using n8n. By following these steps, you will be able to create efficient workflows that streamline your tasks and enhance productivity. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform, open your web browser and enter the n8n URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main dashboard, which displays various options for managing your workflows. Next, locate the section labeled Workflows on the left side of the screen. Click on this option to access your existing workflows or to create a new one. This area provides a clear overview of all workflows you have created. After that, find and click on the Templates button, which is usually situated near the top of the Workflows page. This will direct you to a library of templates that you can use to set up your automation quickly. Once the templates page appears, look for a search bar at the top of the interface. Here, you can enter keywords related to your desired automation. Type in Notion automation and press enter to initiate the search. The search results will display various templates relevant to Notion automation. Browse through the options and select a template that fits your needs. Click on the template to view more details about its functionality and features. After selecting a template, you will see a button labeled Use for Free. Click this button to proceed with utilizing the template for your automation needs. This action will take you to a new screen where you can begin customizing the template. Next, on the template details page, look for the option that says Import Template to Own Workspace. Click this button to import the selected template into your personal workspace, allowing you to modify it according to your specific requirements. Once you have imported the template, it may take a moment for the system to process your request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the template has been successfully imported. This confirmation is essential for ensuring that your automation setup is ready for further customization. Now that the template is in your workspace, you can start adjusting various parameters to fit your workflow. Make sure to review all settings and integrations to ensure seamless operation with Notion. That completes the process of automating Notion with n8n. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.